Hi, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a 9-drawer dresser that we're going to change. So follow along, subscribe, and we'll make some magic happen in this piece. Alright, step 1 has already actually been completed. We went around, we put some wood putty in some of the spots that were a little rough, so we're going to clean those up by sanding them. But first, or second, we're going to take off the hardware so we can pull all the drawers, check the subframe, make sure everything's nice and tight, and then we can start sanding. Alright, it is time to start sanding. And of course there is no one around me that wants to sand. So, if you have kids and they're acting up, send them over to my house. Maybe the punishment could be sanding. I know I would enjoy it. So, let's begin sanding. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to use the light gray, paint it, and then we're going to put a white over it. It's going to take 2 coats. It's going to look pretty amazing, so let's get to work. Alright, we have it painted. Now what we're going to do is do a little scuff job on it. Give it a little vintage look. I think it'll look good on it. So, we got our 120 grit paper, and we're just going to go over it nice and easy. Here it is completed. 9-drawer French style dresser. We sanded it down, we put a light gray and then a white over it. We scuffed it out and then waxed it. Gave it this pretty cool vintage look. If you like this project and many of our others, start subscribing, like us, give us a thumbs up, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I like it. I can't wait to see it in somebody else's house.